Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can host your website on free hosting platform like Infinity Free, as you can see here. So this is the website. It's called Infinity Free. This website allow you to host your website for free. Doesn't matter if front end or back end. So in my case, I will host my full applications using PHP and MySQL with some style of HTML and CSS. So let's get started. First, I want to access the directory of project and let's see what is the project. So this is the project that I want to host and this is all folder of the project. So let's so this is the project. First of all, I want to have some software to allow you to upload the file from your local machine to the host machine. And the most popular things you maybe you know or not, it's called FileZilla client. So this software you can download from the internet like file. So this is FileZilla. So this is software is using the protocol FTP that allow you to upload your file of code or your website from your local machine to the host machine. So let's see how we can work with this software. First of all, we have the host and the username and the password and the port. Port basically it uses the default port of the FTP protocol. So it's 21. And what is the host? The host of your website, the username of your account, and the password of your account you created on the host. So let's be clear here. So this is, I just created a new account. As you can see here, I have my account, and this is the account that I have. So I want to make another account. Okay, I want to make another account with basically. So this is another account we create for free. So we want to make subdomain like for example in my case is labomechanic, and we check if is available or not. So we make a dash here to see. So the subdomain is not correct format. The subdomain can contain letter, numbers, and dash, but cannot start with the dash. Mechanic. So here, as you can see, we have this is the label of account. We have the username. It will generate automatically, and the password, as you can see. And we create our account. So we select email, consent. So it will be created our account on free hosting platforms. So it's infinity free. So we wait. So let's check if I record the video. So we have the account here. Now this is my website. This is my username, and this is my website. So this is the host and this is the username. Where is the password? The password you can copy from it. So I will copy this information to the software FTP. So the username, the password. So this password, let's paste here, and this is the username. We connect and let's see. So let's make a pause. So something is wrong, but I think the hosts are not let's see the file. So I think the host is something are wrong on the host. So this is the hdocs. So this is the default file of the director of the hosting. So you can basically remove this, we don't need it. So the hdocs. Inside this hdocs, we want to upload all the file, not the folder, but the file of the project, and starting from the index project. From the index file. So here we can remove this index. So this is by default was created. So also we have a control panel. I approved. So this is my panel. And here, let's see the hosting queries. So this is the FT host name. When you access your panel, you have all your information like the main domain, the FTP host, FTP username. So the FTP, I think this is right, the FTP host name. And let's copy here and let's see. So, and for now, I think it will connect successfully. And as you can see, we connected successfully because we have the wrong host name. So, what is our project and how we can upload this project? First of all, we have this director of the host machine. So here, when we want to access the file manager, that we can manage this file by deleting, creating, updating. So all modification you can make on the file is in this director. Okay, so the default is the hdocs. So this is hdocs, it's the same here. And this is the file are empty director. And the left side, it's your local site. What does it mean, your local site? Your local machine. This is your computer. So you want to select the folder of your project from your local and upload on the remote or host machine. And in this directory, you should, inside your this folder hdocs, you should to upload all the files, not the folder of the project, but you bring all the files of project and make in this hdocs. And don't forget to upload the main file, it called index.html. Sorry, index.php. So how we can do this? So I want to first access my folder directory. So I'm in the PC. So on the desktop, inside the desktop, I will search my website. So this is our website, and we want to select, sorry, all the file. Reconnect. We reconnect. So I want to select all the file. Uh, in this case, I don't select the kit because it's not important. So, and I should enter here, and we click on the right, and we see this upload, and we click on it. So it will start, as you can see, upload all the file inside this htdocs directory of the hosting machine. So we wait to upload all this file. It maybe take some time. As you can see here, we have on the bottom of the software the file queue. You can see the successful transfer file. So the most and the information you should to return is you should to bring all the file of the project inside the htdocs, not the name of the folder, because some developer he bring the name of the folder, and inside this folder he he contained the file. But no, you should return just the file, not the global project folder, the file and the folder of the project. So we wait to upload all this file. So we just upload all the files. The second, my project is backend applications. So we want to create a database on the host with a new username and password. So how to create this? We return on our platform, and we on the panel directions. So here, as you can see, the database. So this is the sections are specific for the file. You can manage the file, upload file, remove, and update the file or edit something on the code. So here the database, and we want to see what in this directory. So now database on this account. You firstly need to create a database because before you can use PHP add-on. And here I want to create a database. So my database I want to name. Okay, all right. So my database I want to just so here he returned that he transferred finished. So all the files have been successfully transferred. So we upload our file. Now we can see the web, or we can see the site. Yeah, of course you can see the site. And let we so this is our website. And let's see now. So he just upload and publish the front end of the website. We just not have the back end. So we just not have the database. We just not have connected the database of the hosting with the website. I don't know what is the problem here, but the internet is very slow. So Let's create the database. So the new database, MyDB, or Labo DB. So create a database. So here our database, we have the name, we have the username, and the password is the same as my admin password and the host name. Okay, so I want to edit my file, sorry, my file of the that I have connected the database with the server on my website. So I will go to the upload file, sorry, on include. We have a connect, and I want to here, sorry, but I want to edit the file. Copy, rename. So we just so we want to just edit the file. Because we want to update the variable of the connections the database with the server. What is edit? The problem is edit are not display. Is not display, sorry. So here edit, as you can see, because on display. And we want to bring the variable of new database of the host and replaced with the variable of the database that are already on your local host or on your machine. So this is the database name. And this is the username. And the host name. For the password, it's the same as your account password. So we bring here. And let's say we closed. So here we save and we want to create the table of the website. So we want to access now the admin PHP because we have database. So here I'm in the database. We want to import the SQL. So I want to open this. And where is the SQL? This is my SQL. Open it. And let's see the VS Code. So here our SQL command of my database. So here we have the table of the website and also the creating columns and the row. So all, because this is a small website, we don't have large database, large design. So it's very small. So we want to copy here to create tables, and so create schema. If not, so here we want to replace with the database of the host. So this is MySQL user, MySQL database name, and this is the admin database. It was my previous database, and we created already a new database of the house. So we want to replace the old, and let's execute this command. It will created tables. So what is the problem of the schema? Okay, because we have already reviews. So as you can see, we created the table of the database, and here, as you can see, we have the username, we have the publications. So this is a small website, and I will show you how you can host your website on free host web like Infinity free. Now we have already connected the database with the server, and let's see now. So here my website, and this is my website. I will control panel, approved, and let's see how we can now see our website. So this is my main domain. So the files are successful. So we want to just know what is the problem here. FTP host name. We have this sort. The website for label of the website. Let's see this. Maybe I will make on Brave. So here the website, as you can see. I don't know what is the problem with this bad browser, but here the website, as you can see, and we have all the pages here. So we have make in Arabic. Let's see. So it's very good, and so this is our website.